I think the main thing that we wanted was something a little bit more open and light and airy. Our kitchen before, because we had trees in our backyard, we weren't getting the light in, and I figured if I could knock out this wall right here in between, then it would open up. That's exactly what happened. We saw all the light coming in, and so I knew it was the right thing to do. Our old kitchen, I think the cabinets were probably the original cabinets, so about 1973. And they were an off-white cabinet, but they were clunky and clangy, and it was just very old-fashioned. The countertops, we had changed them out shortly after we moved in, but we didn't have a lot of money at that time, so we just put in laminate countertops, knowing that eventually we would remodel the whole kitchen. The placement of the appliances is pretty much the same. We had a double oven before, so we knew that, especially for the holidays, that really came in handy. So we didn't want to totally eliminate that. So that's why we changed into going with a convection oven on the bottom. And then on the top, it's a microwave with a combination convection oven. So as far as the cabinets, I'm a very organized person, so I wanted to make sure that everything we did in the kitchen was functional. So in this kitchen, we decided to have more pull-out drawers so that I could have easy access to things. We have a few cabinets that have organizers in them, like for us to be able to put our trays or our cutting boards. So we did that, and then also pull-out drawers within some cabinets. So we have some large pull-out drawers that contain everything, but then we even have some smaller cabinets that have single shelves that pull out. We didn't have room for a Lazy Susan because we wanted a garbage can and recycling. So we came up with another solution, and that was to have a shelf that inserts back into where the space would be for the Lazy Susan, but it's a pull-out shelf that comes out. We were pretty much decided that we wanted to do granite countertops, and again, that lighter look. But I love the natural look, so I wanted to make sure that when we picked out our pieces of granite, that it had unique patterns in it, because I love how nature works with granite. The cooking surface that we decided on, it's an electric cooktop. Although this is a new one, it's a KitchenAid, and it really took some time to get used to the controls. I'm used to knobs, and I had to go to a touch system and had to figure out how to regulate the temperature. But I really like it, and it has some versatility with it. There are different burners that can be larger and smaller depending on the size of the pan, and that really works for us. These are the original floors that we had before, but we did not have wood floors in the dining room area. That was all carpeting, as well as in the living room. So in order to try to match it the best that we could, we did end up sanding and restaining the kitchen floor and the hallway floor so that it would match the new floor that we put into the dining room area. I wanted something with wood in it, especially for over the dining room area. And so I found a real nice mixture of the glass and the wood and the wrought iron to kind of tie in the feel that I wanted, with the wood floors and the natural granite and the natural stone on the backsplash. It was a pleasure to work with KLM right from the start. It felt good to work with Bruce. We felt like he was confident, comfortable, and he made us feel comfortable. We felt like there was a trust there right from the beginning. One of his biggest strengths was being able to communicate with us every step of the way. We are very happy with the way that the kitchen turned out. It has the effect that we were looking for. It's open and it's bright, and the space is so usable.